सो ये राइटिंग वाला जो हुनर है वो कहाँ से आया?
I think writing happened because of my trip to Kailash Mansarovar in the Himalayas. It was the divine desperation to express myself. After I came back from Kailash
Yeah.
Mansarovar, I wanted to express myself desperately. And I first started writing poetry.
Hmm.
Now, if you ask me कहाँ से ये आया मेरे को पता नहीं यार. You're talking to somebody who used to almost flunk in English in Bombay Scottish where I studied.
Okay.
I never knew how to, write with proper grammar. But
आणि स्पेशली मराठी घरी जेव्हा मदर
हो,
टंग
हो,
आहे
हो.
आणि
आता मराठी चालू ऑलमोस्ट. घरी कोकणी, बाहेर जस्ट आउटसाइड द बिल्डिंग दादर माहीम मराठी आणि आय लव्ह दॅट लँग्वेज. आय लव्ह माय लँग्वेज होम टंग, मदर टंग रादर. But being in Bombay Scottish, I had to also, but I couldn't.
Yeah.
But after I came back from Kailash Mansarovar, um, I don't know, as they say, I don't know what got into me. Some things do awaken. तर तिथून आल्यानंतरच आय फेल्ट इवन पेंटिंग आय वॉज द लास्ट पर्सन टू गो फॉर दी वी यूज टू हैव दोज पीरियड्स नो आर्ट का पीरियड होता था पीटी का वी यूज टू गो एंड प्ले फुटबॉल व्हेन द आर्ट क्लास यूज टू गो ऑन बिकॉज आई यूज टू बी सो बोर्ड एंड द सेम गाय कम्स बैक I went directly to JJ. Of course, I came back and I was like wanting to express. So I said, "Kahan pe kya?" I went to JJ School of Arts. And I said, "I want to do a course." They said, "What? Aise kaise?" So then I said, "Is there some place I can get some paint?" So there was a shop opposite road. I went there. दुकानदार को ये पूछा मैंने कि मेरे को पेंटिंग करना है तो क्या लेना चाहिए? So he looked at me like he was like dumbfounded because I was asking him and he's a shopkeeper. So उसने मेरे को थमा दिया. Oil paint ले लो, linseed oil ले लो, a canvas, and I came home and I started painting. I just wanted to paint mountains because the mountains of the Himalayas, the Himalayan mountains rather, are beyond. Yeah, I mean, you have to just go there and see, and that too, especially Kailash mountain is apratim. म्हणजे you will not. There are no words, which is why I think I wanted to express because you can't say wow, it's amazing because it's beyond that.